A mammoth total posted by these two superstars.
A few games, so for sure that experience might come into play. The fireball, and he gets 8.
Yeah, we spoke about that. 8, 12 or minus 16. We spoke about that. So, yeah, 8 runs. Good start. Good start.
Getting better off Shoaib Malik. Drilled on the ground. Is it a goal? Yes, 2 defenders, but no stopping. The first goal in the second innings.
Oh my gosh, they need to raise the bar of the fielding. Could have stopped this one. Unbelievable. I think one is actually dodging the other one.
No proper communication between two fielders. He connects. He goes big. What a strike. The first maximum in this run chase.
Great start from England. Samit Patel is firing. 18 for none. Just on 3 deliveries. Malik is in trouble.
That too against experienced Shoaib Malik, who bowled quite well early in England. Change of pace, change of angle, but the result will remain the same. Back-to-back maximums.
Samit is playing wonderfully. He is reading and he is executing. Absolutely fantastic display of cricket from Samit Patel.
Shoaib Malik. Oh, what a hit. Miles into the air, into the night sky. In style, he gets off the mark. A maximum.
That shows they are really confident and they are playing ruthless cricket and they really want.
Change of angle. No look shot, but he finds the fielder. Oh no, he drops it. The tall Waqas Ahmed, the super sub, not able to hold on to it. Lucky escape for Awais Shah and more runs for England.
You can't do that. Unacceptable from the bowler from Pakistan. That wasn't a difficult catch. You just need to hold it, make a balance and just catch it. It wasn't difficult.
And with one hand, lost his grip. But what a hit, what a connection. After a blistering start, England in this run chase. On the back foot, towards the top side. It's raining sixes under the...
It's raining and it's raining heavily. It's not drizzling. Raining heavily. That's a proper shot. That's a proper shot. Playing sort of signal on that.
Oh, you beauty, Samit Patel. He is dictating the terms. They are inching closer to the target of 112. Samit Patel moves to 38.
You can't give these sort of freebie deliveries to Samit Patel. He's in a really good form and he loves ball into the block holes.
Lost his shape, but he will get maximum. Trying variation. Awais Shah getting better off Imran Nazir. No respite for Pakistani bowlers.
They need to break the momentum to take the wicket. Otherwise...
67 for none. Awais Shah on strike. Oh, there is that one. Incredible. That swing of the bat is mighty. And add to that, in flurry of extras, banged it shot. That's a free hit delivery. And that's been screamed away towards the square leg boundary. Sixer on the free hit.
Rubbing more salt on the wounds. You can see Shoaib Malik, not really a happy captain at the moment. Pulled away and pulled with class.
Full toss. And take that. Awais Shah is bringing out the vintage, the classic Awais Shah that we had seen. It doesn't look like the time has passed since he was wearing the English cap. A lot of golf, mind you. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ovesh Shah is turning the clock back. And he's entertaining us like never before.
That was a shot and a half. Picked up from that leg side. That region that he takes so much. A clear 6. Easy pickings. 97 on the scoreboard in just 2.4 overs.
Dominance. But this time looks like the one hand off the bat and Shoaib Malik will take that catch. And finally, there is a little bit of cheer from the Pakistani fan.
Yeah, I didn't quite get that. The one hand comes off the bat. And Shoaib Malik takes a clean.
Low full toss and beautifully driven there. That square drive had a boundary written all over it. 4 runs to end the over.
At the end of those 3 overs, it's 93 for the loss of 1 for England. This might just end up going.
I surely would have written 3. Picked up from outside off and smacked it. First 6. They need 2 more to tie.
Pressure on Shoaib Malik right from the word go. And Ovesh Shah doing the right thing. First ball, if you've got that little range, go for the big hit. And he does that. A 6 to start the last over. As you mentioned, 18 to tie. Now it comes down to 12.
Coming around the wicket, Shoaib Malik. A yorker on the middle stump. Very well bowled. Straight to the fielder. A little fumble. His heart would be in his mouth. Just missing.
Pakistan got.
Oh, he waits and he crashes. Good timing on that shot. 4 runs.
They desperately need a wicket. They desperately need those -8 on the scoreboard. As Samit Patel moves on to 49. Too much width. And waited on till the very last to play that through the gap. Picking up the boundary.
All along the carpet and will be a boundary. Now you need to stop these. You need to put in your body behind the ball. Just the finger, just the hand won't do it. A little extra effort is required if you want your team to win. You cannot get it done by these half-baked efforts. Look at that. Now this could have been stopped by a schoolboy.
Wicket.
Samit Patel, extremely smart there. He's just playing all along the carpet. Oh, they're running the second. Is this the first time we've seen a 2 in this format? Never before. Never before we had seen batters crossing over for 2. It was only singles, but this time...
Be winning. Just worked away.
This is smart cricket. Scores are leveled. Now 2 more deliveries to go, or rather 1 more delivery to go. And that's the fire ball, and you'll be done. Fire ball. They've dabbed it down. A single has come through. And I reckon that should be it. I guess there's 1 more delivery to go, isn't it? In a level or leg slip in position. Malik dabbed it and... Wait! Hang on, what is happening? Looks like they didn't really get the scores right. But England, they have beaten Pakistan by 1 run. Or as someone would say, by the barest of the margins. Again, it's England.
But this time they're in the winning column.